Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me for today's daily snapshot. Today we're going to be talking about EM Forex risk and how to trade it, but before we do that, please take note of the following important information. Please know that CFDs are high-risk products and that you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Also note that this is a general market commentary only and does not constitute investment advice. Finally, these are our sources of information. Okay, thank you very much for that. Now, we note that today is the first US presidential debate. It's taking place at 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time. It's likely to increase the volatility in the US dollar Mexican peso. The Mexican peso is inversely correlated to the fortunes of President Trump. So if he is winning the debate, it's likely to apply a pressure to the Mexican peso. And of course, if Biden is the perceived winner, is likely to support the Mexican peso. So keep an eye on that. We also note that Deutsche Bank is taking a more defensive stance on EM credit ahead of the US election. And Goldman Sachs is suggesting investors look at high-yielding EM currencies only once the dust settles. We also see that the US dollar Turkish lira has increased as the lira falls, and this is following escalations between Azerbaijan and Armenia. And there's a fear that Turkey may be pulled into that conflict. Let's take a look at the technicals, and here we're looking at the EMBasket. This is FXCM's emerging market basket, and I want to draw your attention to the fact that the EMBasket is below its 20-day simple moving average, and that 20-day simple moving average is heading in a southeasterly direction. That is indicative of downwards momentum. I also want to point out that the RSI is below 50. That's on the bearish side of the oscillator, and that seems to corroborate the fact that the 20-day simple moving average is moving in that southeasterly direction. Let's end off with some snapshots. The EM currencies are being hit on multiple levels. First, the US presidential debate is likely to affect US dollar Mexican peso. The Azerbaijan and Armenian conflict is affecting the Turkish lira. And there's a general reluctance to become involved in emerging markets until the dust settles from the US elections. I hope that you found this snapshot useful. If you did, please hit the subscribe button below. I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future. Thank you very much.